God, look at that. That is definitely giving me bombshell. This is My battery is about to go dead, so I'm gonna just go ahead and start talking and just giving you guys my opinion about this wig so far. So big shout out to RpgHair for sponsoring this video. So I was a little iffy at first about this texture because it was more so on the thick side, but once I applied heat to it, oh my god, this is like so shiny and so pretty. Like, for this to be a color wig, it looks super healthy. And sometimes for those of you girls who wear color, I'm gonna recurl this part. For you girls who wear color, you know what I mean. Like, sometimes you can color your hair, especially blonde, and the hair can look dry. Like, it can look unhealthy, like you over process the hair. And I noticed, like, with this hair, it's super shiny, like super shiny. Now it is kind of hard to get some of the waves out, but that's okay because I know that the curls are gonna hold. Look at that, y'all. That is so pretty. Let me stop messing with this hair because I'm gonna comb out all the curls. But anyway, so yeah, color on this is super gorgeous. Love the texture. Super soft, super duper soft, especially considering how this texture looked before I curled the hair. It was definitely giving me like dry, but a little bit of softness. So I love that this wig transformed once I applied heat to it. It's a very, very soft wig. I also love the lace. I was really surprised about how well this lace melted into my skin. As you guys saw, like in the video, in the beginning of the video when I was putting the wig on, you could definitely see the discoloration. You could definitely see the wig color was not blending into my skin. However, once I started, you know, doing my basics, which is the 𝐒𝐿 glue hairspray, which of course is going to help blend the lace, and then once I started applying the gel, it definitely helped with blending in the lace and making it appear a little bit more seamless. Now I did try something different in this video. I did try using hair mousse. You girls know, for those of you who've been rocking with me for a long time, know that hair mousse used to be my go-to thing, especially when it came to doing baby hairs. But I felt that sometimes with the mousse, it could definitely make your lace lift, and that's why I kind of strayed away from using the mousse and went towards more of the glue, because it just helped secure the wig down. But I noticed when you do use glue, you get a more fuller looking baby hairs. Like, you get fuller baby hairs. So instead of it looking like kind of thin out, where I was able to use the back of the comb for the baby hairs, you get that whole spaced out thin look. Now with gel, I probably can do that, but I've never done it. With gel, I always use the bristles to do my baby hairs, which is probably another reason why my baby hairs are a little bit more fuller typically. But what I did was, just to make sure that the lace doesn't lift on this wig, because I did use mousse, I went in with gel and just slicked the gel onto the mousse just to secure the baby hairs in place. But I do like with mousse, you do get a little bit more flexibility when it comes to playing with your baby hairs, because baby hairs can be like a hit or miss thing. It can definitely take you 2-3 times or longer to get your baby hairs to look exactly like how you want them to look and to blend into the hairline. So I do like using mousse. It's just, you know, sometimes it just doesn't work out for the look that I'm going for. I did not bleach the knots on this wig. I did not pluck the hairline. I did not do anything to this wig. So what you see me do in this video, or what you don't see me do in this video, is exactly what you should expect with this wig. I don't understand why this keeps going down like that. I mean, super cute wig. Love how full it is. Love how it holds a curl. So yeah, like, look how full this wig is, and I love that it has the right amount of blonde. All right, so this is the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed this little quick install. Again, I don't have all the details in front of me, but all the tea on this wig will be below in the description bar. And yeah, I'm gonna get on up out of here because I got somewhere to be. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.